my YouTube channel, The Luki Bravo. I'm Sienna Slim, a 21-year-old girl. I don't know why am I even telling my age, but yeah, for your knowledge. So this will be my first official video because I've deleted some videos that I've already uploaded due to some technical issues and the quality check and all. So welcome to my YouTube channel, and most of you will be seeing this channel for the first time and seeing me also for the first time. So in this channel I'll be uploading certain videos which are connected to my life, maybe inspirational stories that I have taken, which I was inspired, or some difficult experiences that I've undergone, from which I have learned some things which I could also tell you guys so that you can also apply it in your life, and certain cooking vlogs because I love cooking, and obviously cooking is a skill that you acquire through learning, and certain things which would be helpful to you and me. Hope you guys will enjoy it, and please don't forget to like, share and subscribe. And if you wanna know that I'm uploading some videos, please do click that bell icon so that whenever I come, that ringing sound will be there. Okay, so since this was my inspirational video, I mean inaugurational video, I'm sorry guys, one more reclamation. If you people find something, if you people are not able to understand the way I'm speaking, because this is not my mother tongue, I wanted to take up this universal language called English, so that I can reach many people, I can tell my feelings to many people, I can share my views and all. I thought this would be the best way. That's why if you people find something wrong in it, please do comment below. I will go through it and I'll change it for sure. Since I was checking for some videos, like what will I upload it, this is my inaugural video, I want something which is very catchy. So I go to see this book. Okay, don't worry, I'm not gonna do any promotional video about Paper Grid. I'm going to speak about something that I got from it. Before that, let me tell the story about how I got this book. So one day I got up and I had this dream of writing UPSC exam, and I was like, I should prepare it from today onwards. I go to a shop to buy certain books and I go to see this book. So the first thing that made me look into this book was this quote. Okay, the quote is, "Failure will never overtake me if my determination to succeed is strong enough." I was like, yeah, somebody's talking, huh? Is it like a telepathy? I was planning to write about UPSC exam, and the God is saying that if your desire is strong enough, failure is not gonna happen. I was like, oh, something happening to me. But let me be frank, guys. I don't believe in this quote. Okay, failure will never overtake me, but I think failure would come. It can happen if you have a desire, if you have a strong desire or a determination to achieve. You should be also ready to face difficulties, failures, because you can't achieve certain things very easily. You have to undergo a lot of pressures and all, and especially if you're preparing for UPSC exam, it's even after putting a lot of hard work and everything, you may fail. Okay, and that doesn't mean that you fail completely. It is just a way of making you molded. It's a lesson which teach you that this, if you go through this way, there is something wrong in it, you have to correct yourself. It's like a kind of green light which is showing you that you're moving through a wrong path, or you're having some mistake, you have to correct it now. You should take it in such a manner. So failure may overtake you, so be ready to have the guts to face failures so that your determination will happen. For example, if you achieved everything without even facing any difficulties or failures, what is something new in it, right, guys? Like whenever we fail, whenever we put a lot of effort, whenever we put a lot of hard work into it, whenever we face a lot of pain, and at the end when we achieve this success, there is something which makes you so much proud, saying that yeah, to achieve this I've gone through a lot, and you will understand the pain of that success. So I would say, guys, be ready if you are going to work for something, any determination, let it be anything. You should be so much you should be so much optimistic in considering that there will be failures. It's okay to be it is okay to get failed and all, okay? Because success is for sure, and it's just a testing. That's it. And okay, when I went to the next speech, I saw believe in yourself. Yes, obviously you should believe in yourself. Without believing in yourself, you can't achieve anything. It's like if you believe in yourself, you can achieve anything and everything. Without believing in yourself, I don't understand how somebody could do it. I'm a person who believes in myself the most, okay? Whatever. Let me take an example of writing an exam. I will be like, I'm a person who is very lazy, and I study for my exam a day before, maybe at 12 o'clock. And my friend, okay, my best friend Shru, she always, we both study together, okay? And she will be calling me and say, Sienna, tomorrow we have an exam. When are we going to start? And I will be like, Shru, wait, we have this long, no? We have this much time. Believe in yourself. We will do it. I'll be saying it. And she'll be like, okay, fine. And again, she will be calling. I won't be doing it. Till 12 o'clock, this bell icon here, no, it will not ring. What to do? Don't forget to click my bell icon here, okay? The thing which is below my YouTube video, I think. Yeah. So when I like at 12 o'clock, I will be very much serious. Oh yeah, I have an exam and I should prepare right now. And I'll be like opening this book, and I know that I'm not gonna finish it. There is a lot, and I didn't put any effort. What am I gonna do? And I'll be like, all of a sudden I'll be like, Sienna, I know you can do it. You will do it. And I don't know, it always, and I think believing in myself at certain cases like this and all always helped me. Like I felt that I could do it. Whatever, I feel like when I believe in myself, I could do anything. Like I feel everything is possible. So you guys should believe in yourself. And second thing is that you should understand the fact that when you are hurt, there is one and only one person in this world to cry for you except your mother. That's yourself. Because nobody is going to understand your pain. Nobody is going to understand what you're going through. Only you yourself is able to understand. So you should be able to compensate it by understanding yourself and putting your effort in such a manner that you are also equally helping you to accomplish it. Yeah. So next one, when you want to succeed as bad as you want to breathe, then you will be successful. Yes, that's true. If you consider your success as something which is equally important as your life, you will succeed, because you can't breathe. You will be like, it is equally important as your heart beatings. Then you will obviously succeed. It may take some time, but you will succeed. And let it be anything. So never ever think that when you are not achieving something, don't even think that you are not able to. You should consider, yeah, without achieving that, I won't be able to lead a peaceful life. It is equally important as my aim, my life. Then you will be, automatically you will strive to get it, because it's a way of survival for you. So you are you will do it. So coming into the next one, hard work beats talent when talent doesn't work hard. Yeah, true. See, people says that talent is something you have it when you're born. Not actually. It is something you can achieve it through hard work also. Not saying about dancing and singing. I think even that also, if you put your effort, you can be. Because I am a psychology student, and there is something called conditioning, like operant conditioning and all, where it is said that behavior is something which is learned. So obviously, I feel like talent is also something that you are learning. I don't know, but this is my view, that if you think that you could do it, and if you put a lot of effort to do it, for sure you are going to achieve it. No matter what, you will achieve it in one way or the other way. So never ever think that you are a failure. No, you are not a failure, but a person who has the guts to go through this failures to be successful once in your life. Next. Every great story on the planet happened when someone decided not to give up but kept going no matter what. Yeah, true. It's true. Like everything in this world, let it be. Yeah, light. I don't know who was the one who invented light. I don't know who was it. You guys know, message me now. I actually know it. So I remember reading about so when Thomas Alva Edison, who invented light. Okay, I'm sorry, I just told you, but still, yeah. Thomas Alva Edison founded not light, actually bulb. Okay, there was a card about failure. Okay, he was saying that he failed about 1,000 times before inventing the bulb, and he said, I understood that there were 1,000 ways in which it is not gonna work. He learned that. Says so he was saying that failure is something that makes you build to be successful one day. So that is true. So whenever you fail, it's not like that. You should not give up. When you give up, that is the actual failure. You should not do that. Okay, you should always stand up. You should always stand up for yourself, and you should stand up for your dreams. If you don't, who will be? That's why I told you, believe in yourself. You can do it. So next one, don't stop when you're tired. Stop when you're done. Stop when you're done. Here, the done means when you finish, when you achieve it. Stop it then. But still, I'll say no, don't stop it even now, even then. Even after you achieve your dreams still grows, okay? But don't be greedy. Achieve your dreams. Like, you dream till mountain so that you can achieve till hill. This is some phrase in Malayalam, okay? I'm a Malayali, that's why I'm told you. So these are the things that I got to know from this book. So it's like, stay motivated, stay inspired, and be yourself, and be an inspirational story that one could read in some day and feel that, see, he did it, then why can I do it? Why can't I do it? Yeah. So be happy, be safe, and be motivated. Thank you. And one more thing, okay? The expert, a person who is an expert right now, was always a beginner in his past. So right now you may be not an expert, but you will be an expert once. So be a motivated beginner, and I love you guys. Thank you.